All right, today we're going to dive into a simple, expert-backed, and totally natural solution for scalp health. And the best part? You can make it right in your own kitchen. So, let me ask you, have you ever dealt with that dry, tight, just plain itchy scalp? It's so frustrating, right? It's a really common problem, but man, finding a fix that actually works without creating a whole new set of issues, that can be a real challenge.
Well, what if I told you that answer might be way simpler than you think? According to William Gonitz, he's a leading trichologist, which is basically a specialist in all things hair and scalp health. There's a really straightforward, natural way to deeply moisturize your scalp, and we're going to break it all down for you right now.
Okay, so what's in this, magic formula? Well, it all starts with a very common oil you probably already have, plus a few really powerful essential oils. And here it is, straight from the expert himself. It's a specific mix: rosemary, lavender, ylang-ylang, and tea tree oil. And these aren't just in there to smell good, not at all. Each one is picked for a reason. For example, rosemary is amazing for stimulating circulation, and tea tree oil, well, we all know how great that is for its cleansing, antifungal properties.
And you want to know the best part? Look how simple these measurements are. There's no complex science experiment here. It's literally just 1 tablespoon of extra virgin coconut oil and 5 drops of each of the essential oils. That's it. So easy to remember, so easy to mix.
Okay, so you've got your ingredients, now what? How do you actually use this stuff? Well, the application is just as easy as the recipe. And you're gonna love this part. It's incredibly fast. 30 minutes. Yep, that is the total time commitment from start to finish. We're talking less time than it takes to watch an episode of your favorite show. It's so easy to squeeze this into pretty much any routine. So here's the play-by-play. First, mix everything together really well. You'll want it around room temperature, just so it's comfortable and easy to work with. Then, you gently scrub it right into your scalp. And I mean into your scalp. Don't just dump it on your hair. Then, you just let it sit for those 30 minutes, hop in the shower, and shampoo your hair twice. And trust me, that last step is absolutely crucial. So why shampoo twice? Why go to all the trouble of putting it on just to wash it all out? I know it sounds a little counterintuitive, but honestly, this is the most brilliant part of the entire method. See, this is where the magic really happens. In those 30 minutes, the oils are soaking in, deeply moisturizing the actual scalp tissue. But then, by washing it all out, you get rid of any greasy residue or buildup on the surface. And as Gaunitz points out, this is huge because it prevents an increase in unwanted bacteria or fungus. So you get all of the incredible moisturizing benefits inside the skin with none of the negatives on the outside. It's the best of both worlds. So let's wrap this all up. What we've got here is a super simple 5-ingredient, all-natural recipe. It's a quick 30-minute application. It gives you that deep moisture right where you need it, and it washes out completely, keeping your scalp clean and preventing any gross buildup. It's just such an elegant solution, right? It tackles the problem from both sides. It adds moisture, but it also makes sure your scalp stays clean. So the final question is really for you to think about. Could this super simple 30-minute routine be the key you've been looking for to finally get that healthier, happier scalp?